Well, hello YouTube, Daniel here. This was a part of that deal I got there the other day. It was kind of buried underneath something. Forgot to show it. Kind of reason is because it's broken. So I'm here at Home Hardware. See if I can get this thing warranted. I don't know if you see that or not. Focus, you fuck. Like, really? Jesus. There we go. Torque Master. 3/8 by 10 inch. Let's go see what they have to say. Well, still got the tool. Guy said he won't warranty it. Well, that's okay. There's lots more Home Hardwares. We'll find one that does. Stay tuned. This is to be continued. In any case, share, comment. Hey, just stop by, say hello. Tell me what you think. Or should I just take the torch to it and fucking refashion a new head on it myself? Yeah, this is a heavy duty fucking screwdriver. Yeah. Alright, thanks. Talk to you later. Bye.